Hello everyone, my name's Damien from All Skills Evaporative and Gas. Today we're going to talk to you about evaporative cooler filter pads. What are they, how do they work, and why it's so important to keep them healthy. So firstly, we're going to show you some of the most common problems with filter pads, like this one for example. This filter pad is from an area with a lot of calcification in their water. And if you look closely, you can see this build-up of almost stone. This ends up blocking the holes and making it hard for the fan to draw the air in. So you end up using a lot more electricity and the evaporation process is limited and you start to lose efficiency. So this is another problem that we have. This pad is from an area with high winds. So the face of it has been smashed from heavy winds and heavy rain, and it folds over the holes. So that is similar to the calcification where it causes a restriction. So as these holes block up, your fan's fighting to pull air through. It's using a lot more power and putting tremendous stress on all the componentries. So it's a very good reason on why you should be replacing these at the right time. What we've got here is the straw pad, pea straw. These are pretty effective at cooling, but they do have their own inherent problems, and the main one being is that they don't last as long. So after 3 to 4 years of use, the actual straw is breaking down. What happens is you can actually see straight through the pad. So air's going through the pad without any medium, so it's just sucking in hot air, you're not getting any cooling, and you're losing your efficiency. So it's important to keep these packed nice and tight and replaced more often than the other type of pad. And that's something that we can let you know during the service process. This is what a healthy pea straw pad should look like. It's packed nice and tight, there's no holes in it, you can't see through it. This is the older one, and the older mesh is rusted, so when we replace the pea straw, we put brand new mesh in as well, holds it in nice and tight. The air can't get through unless it squeezes its way through the pad, and you get complete saturation. So it makes it super efficient, and this is what a healthy one should look like. This particular pad is the most efficient pad on the market. Unlike the straw, it's packed so tight, the air's got to be squeezed through. These actually have hundreds and hundreds of holes, so there's hardly any restriction as they go through, so it makes your energy use more efficient. This is what the healthy pads should look like. There's no erosion, so these are brand new pads. Why are there two different colors? Well, some manufacturers use embalming fluid to treat the pad, which is formaldehyde. It's not great to be breathing in. When pad replacement is done, it usually smells for 3 to 4 weeks and it can give you headaches. This is the only brand that we use in our replacement. This is an eco pad. It's eco-friendly. They're the only brand that don't use formaldehyde in their treating process. They are a little bit more expensive, but we feel that it's money well spent. When it comes to filter replacement, we do all the major brands. We do Coolbreeze filter pads, Breeze Air filter pads, Braemar filter pads, Bonaire, Brivus, Cadence, we do them all. So we can supply and install the eco pad to any evaporative cooler that you've got. So if you're unsure about the health of your filter pads, give us a call today and we'll help you breathe easy.